Welcome to our Greene Acres, everybody. My name is Teresa. Today I'm going to show y'all some fun ways that I refreshed my bedroom for summer. I'm going to make some changes to it, and I'm going to try to do all of this without spending a lot of money. So I hope y'all get some ideas and inspiration to maybe change a space in your home or a room with just transforming some things that we may already have or just shop our home. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and as always, I hope y'all get lots of ideas and inspiration for your home. Okay, let's get started, y'all. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to refresh my headboard. Now, I want to point out the majority of the items in my bedroom are from thrift stores, yard sales, or hand-me-downs, or consignment stores. But my headboard was purchased at a consignment store probably 8 to 9 years ago. I paid $50 for it. It's black, and I've enjoyed it black this long, but I can only have a certain kind of headboard because our bed has to fit in front of these double windows. So if I go with something that's solid on the back or is tall, you're going to block that window view, and I really don't want that. I did go out and look at some headboards, and I just didn't see anything else that I thought I would like. So we're just going to take this one off. We're going to go out, give it a good refresh. We're going to paint it white, and y'all, I have introduced y'all to this new spray painter we got, the Critter, and I'll have it linked to my Amazon store, but we're getting so many projects done with this. So, you know, it was so easy just to take the headboard off. It was just a couple of screws, and then we just put it back on the frame, and now I've got a new and refreshed headboard, and we did it on a budget. Okay, the next piece in our bedroom that I'm going to redo is going to be our nightstands. Y'all, I've had these for, I don't know, probably the same as the headboard, 8 or 9 years, and I bought them at a local store in our area, and they look something similar to this. I do not have an original picture because I painted these back in the day with some chalk paint before I had my YouTube channel, but they were black, and mine do not have any hardware on the front. So we're just going to give these a transformation also. I don't know if y'all have priced nightstands lately, but the ones that I priced, they were going to be about $400 for us to get a couple, and that was going real basic. So I just decided, why not? Let's just upgrade the ones we have. Now, Ben took them outside, gave them a fresh coat of paint, and we're using just some paint that we got at Lowe's. Now this is some feet that I ordered from Amazon. I want to lift these nightstands up and make them taller. I'm also going to add some embellishments to the front, and I will have all these pieces linked in my Amazon store. But this little piece, it needed some kind of decorative feet just to give it more detail. Amazon has these feet that I ordered, and they come in a 6-inch, an 8-inch, and a 10-inch. But we were you know, with these little nightstands, a 6-inch is going to be plenty big. But if you have a bigger, chunkier piece of furniture, then you may want to go with an 8 or a 10-inch leg. And this is what they look like. Y'all, they are absolutely beautiful. Now, they do come just like this, and they do not have any way to attach them. They do not have any holes pre-drilled in the top or any screws or anything. You just get these. And they come, when I ordered them for the 6-inch, they were $21.99 for 4. So for $44, I'm going to add these little legs to each one of the nightstands, and it's going to make a huge difference. So to attach them, we just went in, we just kind of measured where we want them. I'm going to put them close to the front, and also we'll put 2 close to the back. So Ben is now just trying to find the center of this one just so he can pre-drill the holes, and then we're just going to take some screws and we're going to attach them that way. Now these right here, they were not hard to attach, and now we're going to have to go in and pre-drill another hole because we took the base that was originally on the nightstand, we took it off. There were some holes left, but they were not in the correct position that we needed. So we just drilled some new holes and we screwed on the new legs, and it was simple as that. So just a dramatic difference that these little legs are going to make. Now instead of putty, I'm going to just fill in those holes that were originally there with some air dry clay, and it dries really fast. And this is a great fix when you need to fix holes, you know, if you don't have any putty on hand. So this is what it looks like now. And y'all, I think already it looks 10 times better. Now we're going to add some embellishments to the drawers, and this is a 10-piece pack you get on Amazon. Now these were priced, I think, at I think these were less than $20. I can't remember the exact price, but I'll put it up on the screen. But you get 10 pieces, you get 2 large embellishments, and then you get 8 of the smaller size. So now I've got some more pieces for other projects. So we're just going to go in and we're going to center that large one in the center of the drawer, and we're just going to apply these very easily just using some wood glue. And this is a Tite Bond, and it is a fast drying glue. So we're just going to go in, we marked it where, we placed it, and we just kind of eyeballed it. We did get the center of the drawer with the measuring tape, and then we just kind of went in and measured where it would fit the best. So we're just going to, we're high tech on our clamping system, so we just kind of put some heavy objects on it. We let it sit outside, and we let it dry really good. And once it gets dry, then Ben is going to go back over it with the critter and give it one last nice coat of paint. So y'all can just see for for $40, I've got 20 in the little embellishment. Well, not even that much. That was for a pack of 10. So if you just take the one out, this is just a few dollars right here to really just bump up some existing furniture that you may already have. Just add some really pretty details to it, and you can just use the things that you already have on hand and not have to go out and buy new furniture. Now I'm going to show y'all some new bedding. Now I went around and I shopped and tried to be very budget friendly on bedding. Now y'all, this is a comforter that I've purchased from Amazon, and I have 2 of these. So I loved it that much, and these are less than $100, and I will have these linked in my Amazon store. But these make great layering pieces because you can see it goes all the way down the floor, and you have a comforter but also a dust ruffle in one. Now we like to layer our blankets and our comforters because even in the summertime we keep our air conditioner down really low at night. So I just layered our blanket already on that top layer, that bottom layer, and now I'm going to add a really pretty comforter I just ordered from Amazon. Now I read the reviews on this. It got excellent reviews. This is very lightweight, but it also is super soft, and it's just right for summertime because it's not heavy and it's not going to make you hot, but it's just light enough to where you have something, on top of you at night. So this is just absolutely beautiful. This was less than $50, and I will have it linked in my Amazon store, but I'm very happy with it because y'all, I love ruffles and I love lace, and especially on my bedding. But this is the 2 shams that come with it, so I'm just going to add those. And then, to me, it's all about pillows. I've got these Euro shams and also these pillow inserts in my Amazon store. Y'all, these are a must. These are like a linen fabric, very, very pretty. I've got 2 of these also on my sofa. Now these ruffled pillowcases right here, I'm going to have some of these similar linked in my Amazon store. I purchased these at Burke's Outlet, but Amazon has a similar product. So I love my lace pillowcases, and like I say, I'll have some of these real similar to these linked in my Amazon store. So all of this bedding right here come from Amazon. The blanket, y'all, Ben gets really cold at night because like I say, we keep the AC really low in the summertime because I like to be really cool when I sleep. So this little furry blanket I purchased at Target a couple of years ago. So I'm just going to keep it on the bed because he will sleep with it. Y'all, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so we can stay connected. Okay, y'all, let's keep on upcycling on a budget and transforming my bedroom. Now, y'all, this picture I got at a consignment store a few years ago, and I think I paid $50 for it. I was there dropping off some things to consign myself when a lady brought this in the back door to consign it. And as soon as I saw it, I told the clerk, I was like, put a price on it because I'm taking that home. So I've enjoyed it with the blue frame, but now I think we need to lighten it up. My friend Jackie at Ruth and Ruby, I'm going to link her information below, but I got some Dixie Belle paint from her, and this is my first time to try it out, and y'all, I love it. This is a very smooth, very silky type paint, and you don't have to put a ton of layers on to get good coverage with it. So my first time to use Dixie Belle paint, and I was very pleased. So y'all, I think this just really helped this picture. It really blends in now a lot better with the Resort Tan paint that I have on my walls. So now we have just updated the picture I had. We've updated our nightstands, and we've got some new bedding. So now I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to update my wreath. I made this wreath in a previous video probably a couple of years ago, and I love it. I've kept it up. I've added, you know, that drop cloth banner to it, and I've got a video on how I made it, but I'm just going to upgrade the bow on it. I made a bigger burlap bow, and I put some tails on it, and I just added that just to refresh my existing wreath. And that is a great way. Just add some tails and a really pretty bow. Now I'm going to take a thrifted lamp. Y'all paid $5.99 for it. Lamps can get expensive. If you go to Wayfair or Amazon, you're going to pay up in the money for lamps. So yard sales, thrift stores, or shop your home, grab a lamp that may be outdated and just go to town, paint it or refresh it. And these are some lamp finials. Always keep your lamp finials because you can always change them out and they add such a great detail to your lamp. So all we did was we spray painted this little thrifted $5.99 lamp. We spray painted it white. I put an upcycled lampshade on it, and I've got a video on how I made the lampshade. And this is just that easy of how you can upcycle items you already have in your home and just make them beautiful for, you know, for summertime or any season. The entertainment center here was a yard sale find. Y'all paid $50 for this, and this is great storage for us, especially since we live in a small house. Now, I decorated my nightstand with some, you know, some books. I painted some white and just gave it some different texture on the bottom. Now, as you see, Ben's side of the bed in his nightstand, he won't have anything on his. Ben does not like anything on his nightstand, and if you do put something cute over there on it, he will like be cute and hang it on the lampshade. He thinks it's funny. So I'm just going to leave his nightstand plain, and that way at night, and that's really what a nightstand is for you to be able to store things in the night, like your cell phone, your glasses, your book. So I'm just going to let him have his little nightstand, and he can store whatever he wants to in his.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh.
I hope y'all are enjoying the video so far. This is the next day, and I made the bed up a different way just to give y'all a little bit more inspiration on some really pretty pillow covers. The two extra pillows in the front are pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon, and y'all, I loved them so much I ordered another set of these, so I have 4 of these. So these are pillow covers, so all you have to do is just put some inserts in them, or some, some existing pillows that you may have. So just another product that I wanted to, introduce y'all to, because I love shopping on Amazon, and I've got an Amazon store that is packed full of home decor and craft supplies. So, I try to go out and do the shopping for you and read the reviews and try to list products that I feel like I'm happy with and you would be happy with for your home.
This is where my heart is.
I want to take just a minute to let y'all know that I now have a business page on Facebook where I will be creating and uploading content. So I want to make sure y'all go over and like and follow it. Okay, y'all, we are at the end of the video. I sure appreciate y'all for coming over today. And I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the refresh that I gave my bedroom. And I hope you got lots of inspiration and ideas. I didn't have to go out and spend a lot of money. I ended up not buying new nightstands or a new headboard or new wall decor. I just shopped my home and refreshed what I had. So as always, y'all, appreciate each and every one of y'all. I love you, and I plan to see y'all in my next video on Mondays. Bye, y'all.